In this market, buyers are constantly competing for their dream home. But how can you make your offer stand out above the rest? I have 3 tips that are going to help you do just that. Hi, I'm Amy Grafenstein with Remax Results, and I have helped hundreds of buyers get their dream home. So I know how scary this can be and exciting for you at the same time. It's my job to help you with your dream home. But here are a few tips you could do to stand out. Number 1, make sure that you've offered a competitive price on the home. In this market, there are sure to be multiple offers being given on that same house that you want. Now, don't hold out and offer too little, or you may find yourself losing out on that home. Now, number 2, put down a larger earnest money. This shows that you are serious and also tells the seller that you are very qualified for purchasing their home. However, be sure to stay on track with your lending approval and continue to stay in touch with your lender and your real estate professional until you are absolutely certain that you are fully approved to purchase the house and have given the clear to close. Otherwise, you could lose that earnest money if the loan falls apart, which means you just lost your dream home. Now, if you don't have that big earnest money, what are some things you could do to help with it? Well, maybe you can remove some of the contingencies to make your offer stronger. For example, maybe the inspections are done and you've seen those reports and you just don't need to have all those contingencies. You could remove them. Or you've been through the entire approval process and you've verified everything with the lender and they're able to give you that higher approval letter that you can submit with your offer. Number 3, let the seller know that you have not written any other offers on any properties, that you've verified the taxes and you've taken that into consideration when looking at your payment. And let them know that you are going to be as reasonable as possible in regards to asking for repairs and requests once you've accepted offer and you're going into the next steps of your purchase. Also, make sure your agent is in constant contact with that other agent and giving them constant updates on you. This makes you stand out above the rest. Those updates are helping you as the buyer stands out in front of the eyes of the other agent. Believe it or not, that can be what seals the deal. Communication is always key to the transaction. There are so many more tips that I could give you and show you, so give me a call and let me assist you with your dream home. I'm Amy Grafenstein with Remax Results, serving Central Minnesota.